everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. Just going to talk about the weather that we're having here. We got blizzard conditions for today, tonight, tomorrow, anywhere from 10 to 50 centimeters of snow. We've got some heavy north winds, going to be gusting about 70 kilometers an hour into the night. We got a Colorado low that's coming in. You can see the visibility, we're less than a kilometer for sure, maybe 500 meters. Traffic, as you can see, is down to a crawl and speeding up a little bit. You can see the water in the ditches. We've had nothing but rain and now this. Heavy snow warnings. The roads aren't slippery yet. Temperature is about 1 degree Celsius. But as you can see, conditions are not good. Right now I'm doing 80 kilometers an hour. Speed limit is 100. And again, the conditions are just wet, but it's the visibility, as you can see, when somebody passes you can just lose everything. We'll shoot another video tomorrow, as I do travel this road every single day. We will shoot another video in the morning because conditions are supposed to worsen overnight to near zero visibility. If you have any questions or comments, leave them. Always like answering them. A couple of major intersections coming up here right now, so lots of traffic going on and off the road, highway. So there will be lots of brake lights here just because of the conditions. Coming up to the Red River, and if you take a look, hopefully the camera will pick it up. The river is really high for this time of year, and we've had to open our floodgates in order to lower the level. Here's the river. Not sure if you're actually going to be able to see anything. Off to your right. Back up to 90 kilometers an hour. Again, it's not icy, it's just that, as you can see, the visibility conditions are down. Just give yourself some time and some distance. As you can see, brake lights are always coming on, going off. Compare these conditions today on the way home to tomorrow's conditions, where again visibility is supposed to drop down to zero, and we're supposed to have like I said, the gusting winds up to 70 kilometers an hour depending on which radio station or which weather station you check out. We're turning into the city here now, coming up. keep recording for a little while longer and see what the conditions are inside the city. Yeah, that's snow on the hood of my car. Just heavy, wet snowfall. We've had maybe 6 or 7 centimeters of snow, and it's interesting that half the city, as you can see here, there's no snow on the ground, but when I came from the other side, there's snow on the ground. Welcome to Winnipeg! Hopefully the camera's still rolling. Hopefully I pushed the right button. Nice bumpy road here, you'll enjoy this. Here's a good shot of the visibility that you can see right now coming into the city. 80 kilometers an hour. Lots of standing water. But very little snow on the ground. Oh, lots of puddles. Oy. Actually, the city's not bad at all coming in. Highway was way worse. Okay, thanks for watching. Leave some comments. Hope you like it.